All right, welcome back again. Today we're gonna go something a little bit different than the mowers. We're currently waiting on a point at which we can actually order the head gaskets for the other one. I'm sure you can hear Zach in the background power washing the Toro. But today we're going to take apart the dirt bike that's been in the background for the past few videos. That's Dan's dirt bike. We just gotta reassemble the clutch packs and then hopefully we can take it for its first ride. So cut back to when I'm over there with him. Him do it clean. How goes it?
Well, it's not gonna overheat anymore.
I hope not. Oh yeah. There's fins.
Let's go clean out the magnet, and then I'll put it all back together and see how it runs. I'm sure we'll run a heck of a lot better than before.
You're gonna try to get the paint off? Yeah. You're gonna try to get that paint off?
I don't want to like break it all.
Well, I mean, we're probably gonna paint it. Yeah. So we'll see about that. Anyway, let's go check in with Dan. This is Dan. This is his retarded dirt bike.
$800 dirt bike.
All right.
3 Yamaha IT 490. Bought it from my friend from Texas, and got the new carburetor on it.
Did you actually get a new carb?
I did.
Oh, that's
on
right.
eBay.
Yep, with the cable.
Yep, with the cable because it snapped. Put the carb on. Went to go put it in first gear. Stalled out immediately. Just, no. So popped the cover off. At the clutch again and pulled the lever. The clutch would pop out, but the clutches would not move at all. So I got a screwdriver and pried. Here's the clutches actually. These are right here. And I pried a part right there, and it was like, I was like, huh, yep, they're fluid-filled clutches. Let's make that noise. Okay. So I sanded them down because I don't want to buy new ones, and now we're putting them back on.
And we're hoping for the best.
And there we go.
That's
So,
all of them.
all the clutches are in. Now, we take. I don't know what this is technically called for a dirt bike, but I'm going to call it the pressure plate. So the way this works is you've got 6 bolts with springs.
Yep.
The bolts bolt through that thing onto there, into there, and then what applies the tension to the clutches is actually the springs that are on the bolts.
Right.
So when I bought this from the guy, he said, "Oh, I adjusted all them clutches so that they're maximum tightness, so you don't get no slip when you enter it in driving. So you're kicking gears and whatnot." He's from Texas, so. And I'm like, I take it apart. I'm like, I don't know enough about dirt bikes. I've never had a dirt bike. And I take it apart. I'm like, what did you adjust? He's like, yeah, I tightened all them 6 little bolts up. I'm like, they just go to a tight, like you don't. That doesn't adjust anything. I should clean the dirt out of the threads, but I don't care that much. So it's kind of.
I mean, when you look at the rest of the bike.
Right. I mean, you got this crap here and here and fuck.
I don't know. My favorite though is the exhaust.
And the crack here. The crack here.
The entire exhaust
Not
is.
attached up here. It's not even attached. I mean, I can see daylight through there.
Yeah, I'll get around to this side so you can.
Yeah, the muffler. He's like, man, that bike is fucking loud as shit. He's like, I had my homie weld the muffler on there before I brought it up when we went trail riding. Yeah, as you can see, the muffler. Look at them fresh welds. So nice.
It's like they stuck a pipe over it and then filled the pipe with liquid metal. And then whatever hardened in is what it came to be.
Fucking wrench.
So we figured out we're just retarded.
Well, yeah, retarded, and like I said, I've never owned a dirt bike before. I don't know about the rest of these boys. Are you dropping my nut?
Degenerate nut.
Go on. Get on
He attempted to clean the dirt out of it, but I think the dirt's there to stay.
No.
Alright, if you need a screwdriver and a wrench, he's running low on alcohol.
What?
Running low on alcohol?
Alcohol. Say anything about that.
It'll be our little secret.
It's our little secret. That's the dirt thread. I take it back part.
No, the dirt's there to stay.
Dirt can't be there still. It's not like laundry. I'm going to go all the way tight.
So we're gonna watch it till it hits right there. Oh, that's it. That's it right there. And then we're gonna hold this. So it doesn't move. And then we'll put this on. And then put this on. And then put this on this. Never mind. That's not gonna work. I need a smaller screwdriver.
Big brain. Even smaller than the one you got right there?
Removals.
Alright, so we think we figured out the adjustment.
So as stated before, we're kind of dumb.
Pretty sure anyone would be able to get that.
I'll torque those in.
It looked torqued enough. Now, let's see.
Oh yeah, that looks about where it was before actually. So now everything should, that wheel should spin through. Okay, we might have to actually loosen it a little more.
We're gonna have to do a take two. Oh, there it goes.
It is, but it's very tight. Like to account for like all the heat.
Yep.
We're gonna want a little more.
Well,
Here we go again. I'll
Cut.
just leave the springs in. I think that will actually help us.
yeah.
So, in case we missed it because Alex was helping me hold it up. The way this works is there's this adjustable rod that's moving right now.
Degenerate nut.
Degenerate nut. And that is adjusting the push rod length of the rod on the other side that pushes through to push the pressure plate out. Is it pressure plate? I don't know. I work on cars, not their brakes.
Well, you called the cover the front cover, so I think we can all figure out where you work.
Good, you can't see my Geo. General Motors, best car company there.
Fuck off.
That's still pretty tight.
More. There's only a few more threads left.
Okay, there's not. I think that's good. Let's do that.
All you can hear in the background is Zach attempting to, I can only imagine, restart the Toro.
So, I've been wondering, Alex.
Mm-hmm.
I do a lot of sponsoring here.
Huh?
I said I do a lot of sponsoring. Needless to say.
Yep.
Go kart, 2 quads.
Yep.
This motorized bicycle. Now,
Yep.
That mower, this mower, and the one over there that's trying to start.
Yep.
Do I get sponsorship logos? Please, bro, please. Put my stamp on everything. What do I do? It do an age.
He pressure washed it one time. I don't know how to act. Now, you gonna RTV that at all?
There's like a paper gasket there that I'm gonna pretend is brand new.
It's not like the original one or anything.
No, definitely not.
No, I off camera you couldn't see, but we replaced that with a brand new one.
Yep, off camera we replaced it. Just like this case is not cracked there and there and somewhere on the bottom. And
Definitely
half
not.
of that hole is missing. It's not.
We are
Just
very.
like the spring for this kickback is perfectly fine. Not bad in any way, shape, or form.
All right, so we got the Cover on.
Yep. And the Kickstarter, which definitely works. The return spring definitely works.
Definitely
I
not.
definitely didn't fuck it up when I was trying to fix it.
Get in there. Let it warm up. Holy shit! That man. Take two on that. Yeah, he's just feeling it out right now. Yeah, like I said, he hasn't ever ridden this thing. Breaking up. Stop riding because this little piece is wiggling right out of the retainer. He had no clutch. So the fix is duct tape wrapped around the cable.
Get more.
Stick.
I don't know. Yeah. I would say.
Well,
like,
it widens it up so it can actually pinch
right.
on
Yeah. It gives it more. I'm looking for a word, but I can't find it. Like pressure between the little fork things, I guess.
Yep. So I guess we'll see how that works. There you go.
I get to the little development there, and I turn around and I come back, and I'm like, I gotta do a flyby for the board. So I pop up in like second, third, and like fourth. Holy shit! Like the wind is trying to pull my helmet off. The wind is like, I've never been on like two wheels going that fast. Like the fastest I've gone is on the red 4-tracks that goes like 43-ish top speed.
Yeah, yeah.
And you know, that's pretty crazy as is. And then this thing, you know, I was at least going like 60, 70, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Whatever 4th
I
gear
was
is.
like, you can see in the video, I was not anticipating how fast you were going.
No.
Like
And I
literally,
could fly by.
you went from one side of the screen to the other before I had even like turned.
Oh yeah, I can hardly hold on. It was like that much wind resistance, but I've never been on something that fast. So to me, that's new. And I turned around down there and it's starting to do some weird stuff. I think I might be.
He's just going at it over there.
He is just freaking.
I gotta start, damn it. Boy, I'll tell you what.
He's trying to do his cinematic entrance.
Gonna roll up on the mower.
He's gonna have his giant Zach smile. He's gonna be like, oh yeah,
I did it.
I fucking did it.
Proud of me now.